Look, babe. Why is Grandma as looking? Why is Grandma looking?
Why is my camera broken? I don't know. I think I must have dropped it. Your sister likes to watch you. What were you telling your sister, Alicia?
We put our blanket on and then we have a bath and then lie down.
And then that's how you go to sleep?
Yes.
Great. She loves you so much.
I want to lay down my teeth.
Are you going to give her a kiss?
I like that my teeth.
Oh, on your bed I think is a better place.
Guess why?
So it'll be more comfortable.
No, but
Say goodnight to the baby. Give her a kiss goodnight. I mean, not goodnight. I mean for your nap.